Hi guys, Bobby D here from bobbydonlinemarketing.com. Welcome to my review of Aidan Corky's Instant Buyer Traffic, which is released on the 31st of August. So as usual, I'm going to give you my honest opinion. If I think it's good, I'll tell you. If I think it's bad, I'll tell you, which a lot of affiliates don't do. I'm going to go through the sales page. I'm going to go through the members only area as I've got access. And then at the end of the video, we'll go through all my bonuses. So it's worth hanging on and going through to the end because I've got some great bonuses for you guys today. So let's have a look at the sales page first of all, which basically says a real life case study reveals how you can make $208.98 a day with free buyer traffic and less than 25 minutes per day. And there's a little video there which I'm not going to play. So can you make $208.98 per day? It's not often I say this, but you can. And I do. The method that Aidan shows is a method that I've been doing for a long time. It's a method that other affiliates use, but it's not overly well known. So it is almost a new method. So yeah, I don't often agree with the sales pitch, but you can make $208 a day. So just a couple of screenshots that Aidan's put in here. 151.96, 305, 190, various sales that he's done there, 53.58. Yeah, you can do this. I used this exact method only last week on CPA Reloaded, which was a product that came out, and I only used this method, and I done 35 copies. So I made about $350 using this method only. I didn't use my list. I didn't use my solo ads. I just used this method that Aidan shows. So I know that this works. It's quite a long sales page. I'll let you guys read it and go through it, but you know, it's all good. So we'll just flip over to my blog, which is bobbydonlinemarketing.com. I've given this 9.2 out of 10. I go over the product here. What do you get? A secret way to boost lots of free buyer traffic on social media. Now this does use Facebook. If you're not on Facebook, this isn't going to work. Okay, definitely need a Facebook account, and this works in any niche, which is really good. Any niche at all, you can use this method. Based on real life case studies, no SEO, no product creation yet, rinse and repeat yet. You never need to pay a penny in traffic, and real case studies. Yep. Aidan shows you exactly what to do. Why is it so good? You don't need any prior experience. You don't need to worry about a website. It's all free traffic and anyone can do this. If you're a newbie, it's fine. It's a video course, and you also get a cheap PDF, which is really good. So you get both to look at, and it's full course. Just follow what Aidan does in the videos and literally you cannot go wrong. Okay. Let's go across to the members area. So this is what you're getting in the members area. There's a lot of videos here, guys. Just move that up. A lot of videos to look at. So you get your welcome message by Aidan, and you get a chance to join a Facebook group. Module 1 is the method overview. The video is 20 minutes long. This is about choosing a Facebook profile, 13 minutes long. Module 2, rules around Facebook. This is quite important actually. How to add friends, adding buyer friends. This is important. Module 3, what you do when you reach 1,000 buyer friends. Module 4 is just huge. Overview, how to make money with buyer traffic, picking an affiliate offer, reviewing a product, example of an affiliate review, and then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 case studies. Okay, lot of content in this. Module 5, how to make money from your traffic, building hype for your product, tagging by friends, personal videos, how to make $210 results. There's a bit about an email list, really good. And then there's a couple of upgrades, and your bonuses are at the bottom with your quick start PDF. So there is a hell of a lot of content in this. Aidan really has pushed the boat out, which I'm going to come on to in a minute. A lot of content. He's put a lot of effort into it. And this is a course I really like. You know me, I'm honest about stuff. And this is a good course. It's a really good way of getting free traffic. And like I said, I've been doing it for a while. And it 100% works. It worked for me last week, and I made over $300. So let's just quickly talk about bonuses. You get bonus 1, which is access to a live Q&A webinar by Aidan. You get his 7K Traffic Ninja formula, his GIF and meme traffic generation video courses. This is quite good. Again, I've used this before. My bonus is I'm going to show you how to push your affiliate marketing commissions skyward. I'm going to show you how to make $10,000 in 90 days. This is not a quick make $10,000 in 5 minutes. You've got 90 days, 3 months. If you follow this, you know, a good chance you're going to make some good money. How to supercharge your list. And this is my own secret way of getting hundreds and hundreds of hits to your affiliate offer. So as well as using Aidan's method, you can use my method here, and it'll easily double, triple the eyes onto your offer. Now, I've only got 75 of these bonuses, which I'm giving away. You know that my offers go quickly, guys. So jump on board straight away. It's going to go really, really quick. Yeah, 9.2 I've given this. I think it's a really good course. The only downside about this course is the price. It's $50. It's $49.95, which is a lot of money. But you get what you pay for, okay? You can buy a $7 WSO or a $12.95 WSO and not learn much because you need the OTOs. Everything's included in this, okay? For $50, you are getting some serious content. You're getting all this content, all these videos. It's going to take you hours to go through it. But I can just tell you this one thing, guys. It works. I use it. Okay, I use this method, and I wish I thought of this because I've been doing it for ages. I could have made my own product. But Aidan's done it. He's done a good job, a really good job. You know, do I recommend you get this? I'm going to say yes. Okay, it's $50. It's not for everyone. It is expensive, but you pay for what you get. I think it's good value. I do think it's good value. There are probably other affiliates out there who would have sold this for $99, $199, $249, honestly, and people would still buy it. So $49 is a lot of money, but you pay for what you get. If I paid $49 for it, I'd be happy because you can easily get your money back with this. Okay, you can easily get your money back with this method. I used it last week and I made $300. It works. It's that simple, guys. So jump on board. It comes out on the 31st of August. Go to my website, bobbydonlinemarketing.com, grab it through my link, and you're going to get all my bonuses. There's 7 bonuses. They're up for grabs, all right? Leave a reply on here and I'll get back to you, or you can PM me whenever you want, you know that. So that's it, guys. Yes, I recommend it. Thanks for watching and listening. If you need anything, you know, just to hit me up on Facebook. I appreciate the time watching this review. Take care.